let's go ahead and get started with our circle time. It is June. And it is the 3rd day of June.
Thank you, ma'am.
Let's figure out our days of the week. Let's figure out the days. Let's sing our days of the week song. Ready? Turn it up. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Clap, clap. Clap, clap. Clap, clap. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Clap, clap. Clap, clap. Yeah, buddy. And today is Thursday, June 3rd, 2021. Let's take a look. We have a sandcastle here. We're going to put a sun here. So what's going to go here? Sandcastle. Good job. All right. We said it was going to be sunny today. Is it sunny? No. What is it outside?
Rainy.
It is rainy. What about tomorrow? What kind of weather are we going to have? Sunny. Sunny with some clouds. We'll compromise. Let's go ahead and say our alphabet. Are we ready? Here we go. Nice and loud. A, B, C, D. I can't hear you.
F, G, H, I, J, K, L,
M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. All right, let's count all the way to 15. Here we go. 1,
2,
3,
4,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, let's go backwards from 8. Let me hear ya. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Blast off.
I just said blast though.
All right, let's look at some colors. What color are my elephants?
Gray.
Gray. What color is my fish?
Orange.
Orange. How about the chocolate? Brown. What is it? Brown. Looking at my shapes. What shape is this that's blue?
Triangle.
Triangle. Good. What about this one? It has 2 names.
Diamond. And
Or
rhombus.
Rhombus. Excellent. What about this one right here?
Rectangle.
Rectangle. Our nursery rhyme this week is Rain, Rain, Go Away. It's appropriate for today. Let's say it together. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Rain, rain, go away. Little children want to play.
I will do the umbrella.
The letter Q says qua, qua. What does Q say? Qua, qua. Like in queen, quiet, and quarter. All start with a Q. Let's go ahead and stand up and sing about where we start those letters. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? Julia. If you want to start a letter. Go ahead, Julian. Go at the top. Here we go. Letters, letters, letters at the top. Letters at the top. Letters, letters, start your letters at the top. You start your letter at the top. You start your letter at the top. If you want to start a letter, then you remember to start it at the top. Going down. No, it's the bottom. No, it's the middle. It's the top, top, top. Reach up. Way up. Good job. Look at my friends doing it with their hands going up. Now we're going down. Reach down. Way down. Touch the bottom. Yes, it's the bottom. Reach out and touch the bottom. Now we're going. 1, 2, 3, 4. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Shake it in the middle. Shake it in the middle. You start your letter at the top. You start your letter at the top. If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. No, it's the bottom. No, it's the middle. It's the top, top, top. All right, have a seat on your bottoms. We're making the letter Q. The letter Q has 2 magic C's. Here's my first magic C. Here's my second magic C. Then I need to have the letter O, but then I add the little slide. So we start at the top and we say, keep making, right? We're going to make a letter O. So start at the top, go this way now. Keep on going, please don't stop. It's the letter Q when you put the little line at the bottom, the little slide at the bottom. Letter Q with the little slide. All right. Thanks for joining us for Circle Time today, and we will see you tomorrow.